Thank you.
Hi, I'm Nick.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Kristen. Hi, nice to meet you guys.
Come on into our home.
Thank you. We'll take you back to the kitchen.
Thanks. I haven't been to this neighborhood yet. It's really cute.
Here it is.
The kitchen feels very different from the rest of your house.
Yes.
Yeah,
So when we moved in, the whole house was just very, very 90s. Everything was mustard, orange, heavy drapery.
Yeah.
And I've done what I could so far with furniture, but nothing like major projects.
You've done a great job because when you walk in, the house looks super cute. Like it feels very country chic. It's very calming and soothing. And then you come in here and you feel like you're like in literally a totally different house. It's like orangey and like straight out of the 90s.
Yes.
Right now our kitchen's just, it's like dark, it's dingy, it feels old.
Just no function with now a family of 6.
Well, you guys have 4 kids?
Yes.
And Kristen, you just had a baby a week ago?
A week ago today.
You're literally like the best looking postpartum person I've ever seen in my life. Yeah, I mean, wow. So, 4 kids, and then I feel like when you walk in here, you're just like slamming straight into this oddly shaped peninsula that really doesn't make any sense for kids.
Yeah, it's so awkward.
So let's talk about what you don't like.
We have no storage space. So like this right here is our
Take a look at the
pantry.
yeah.
It's a mess.
Oh, what the heck?
I had
I
to-
organize it constantly, but it doesn't matter.
I thought I was gonna walk into like a walk-in
Yeah, no,
pantry.
I had to install extra shelving just to fit it all in there and
Not good.
So
4
that's
kids and this is what you're working with?
Yeah. I would love just like a big flat island
Yeah.
with good seating. So like when I'm making breakfast, like the kids can just be there.
That's easily
I
done.
need function.
Yeah.
I would love to like have a sink in the island, like move the sink over to an island. It just makes more sense to me.
And then you'd be facing out this way,
Yes.
which I'm assuming this is where the kids hang out?
Yes.
the whole entire kitchen's kind of off in this side of the room, and so you got everything here, and then you kind of come over here. We have all this space right here. It's sort of transitional, but not really. It's kind of like wasted space to me.
Yeah, it's wasted real estate and we can totally use this wall to do something.
Yeah.
What about in here? Do you guys utilize this whole space? Because this is a pretty big
So
laundry
this
room.
is as clean as this gets. When I come
For
in,
sure.
like we're constantly tripping over things.
Just making this space more functional for like dumping bags and
Totally.
shoes and stuff like that to
Like it would
come
be
on into the
a
house, you
dream
know?
to have like the kind of like cubby
Yep.
systems, like hooks for backpacks and
Yep.
Yeah.
I
like
think-
storage for shoes.
Totally.
Clearly we don't use the sink.
Yeah, this will
So,
make a huge difference just right there.
push present times 4, it's about 100,000.
100,000. Okay.
All right, there it is.
Yes.
So let's give you your dream kitchen.
Yes.
We'd love that, yeah.
Okay, so we can definitely make that work. Especially, I think we can work with the existing floor plan without having to take down walls or anything, which will save some money.
Okay.
So here's what I'm thinking. First of all, what's most important is getting rid of this awkward shaped island. Do a large island in the middle, all one level, all counter height, with bar seating on each side, and we can do a nice sink in the middle with a dishwasher, all facing out here.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Okay, from here, we could do the refrigerator right here, and then we could do some uppers and lowers. Start here, remove the crown molding, and carry the cabinets all the way up to the ceiling. That way you have more storage.
That would be amazing, yes.
Do a nice slide and range with a hood vent, and then just continue all of this as counter space, tons of prep space.
That's great.
Love it.
Yeah.
And then over here, where we have this blank wall with the calendar, I think it'd be great to do floor to ceiling cabinetry, like a really large pantry with pull-out drawers.
Love that.
That is perfect, yes.
Love that.
In here, I really want to make this room super cute, right? Right now it feels a bit dingy, and I think it could be really nice and much more your guys' style.
Yes.
I'd love to do a super cute tile floor, so it's like the first thing you see when you come into the garage. And then we can do sort of like a mud room. We can flip the washer dryer to this wall where the sink is, and then we can do all like cute storage, maybe a sitting area. Kids can take off their shoes, put everything away. And then on this wall, we can do a cubby system.
Love it.
Hide everything, organize, light and bright. I think that's gonna make a huge difference.
Yes.
I think that's
Love
exactly
that.
what we need in here.
Yeah.
These are heavy. Okay. Couple cabinet colors. I was thinking white for the perimeter cabinets, and then this like really pretty bronzy color for the island.
I
Good.
think it looks great, yeah, I love that, love that.
Couple options for countertops.
Oh, I like that.
Ooh, pretty.
Oh, they're There's this one, a little more subtle.
I actually haven't really seen a countertop with the gold in it, and I really like that.
I love that. It's like Calcutta.
Yes.
Yeah, I love
Yeah, very classy. And I think, again, it looks nice with this as well.
Yeah.
And then this is like subtle, so it's not gonna be overwhelming.
Yeah, absolutely. I love that.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now, backsplash.
Ooh,
That's cool.
I like that. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
definitely like different. You know,
Yeah.
I don't see
but
a
it's
lot
still
of houses.
like my neutral white and bright
Yes.
that I like.
What would you do for like grout color?
If it was my kitchen, I would do white because it's
Okay.
all still gonna stand out and you're gonna be able to see like all the shapes. But I just worry that if you do a gray, you might tend to get more sick of it.
Yes.
Okay, I'm up for it. I'm up for it.
It's gonna be like the showstopper of the kitchen. I know last time we talked about the bar, Nick, you're having trouble visualizing.
Yeah, a little bit. It was a little bit of a
kinda
surprise to
sprung
me
it
a
on
little
him
bit.
when I had
so
them demo.
Had to kind of wrap my brain around that. last
Right.
time.
Well, since it's gone, we gotta put it back together.
Okay.
So, okay.
What do you got for
I
us?
got some materials. Cabinet color. So, we can either do like the perimeter of the kitchen or the island.
I think I like tying in the island color in here. I think
so
it'd be
too.
really pretty, yeah.
I like the pop because
Yes.
the white walls and
Yes.
everything. I think this would look really nice.
Yeah.
That makes sense. I'm in so far. Yeah. So far so good.
But we can look at everything together. So I will do a couple options that we can do. We have the countertop. And we have these pull handles. So basically what we could do is we could do the countertop and run it up the back wall, which would look really pretty. Or we can kind of tie in the look from the kitchen and do the same backsplash. We could do a different grout color to mix it up. The same color as the island, or we could do this one, which would totally mix it up.
When you mentioned last time of running the countertops all the way up, I really liked that idea.
Me too.
I feel like it'd be such a statement piece.
I think it goes really well with your decor and everything too.
Yeah.
It totally looks like your guys' style.
Yeah. I love it.
Yeah, I feel good about it. I mean,
You're like, whatever. There's a baby
she
crying.
can just do her. Yeah. She can just do her thing. No, I think I feel good about that because if we're already tying in this with the island, to me it does kind of just make sense to include the countertops in the kitchen in here and just kind of create some continuity and cohesion. with
Totally.
it all,
And
yeah.
we'll have a couple of floating shelves, some decor. So I think this one just looks the most smooth, pretty, and it's just gonna look beautiful when you're walking into the front door to not see that old,
Yes.
dilapidated closet thing.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
this look, I think, is classy.
That's great.
Yeah. And then we can do one of two pull handles. We can do the same as the kitchen, or we can mix it up and do a black.
I like the gold still.
Me too. I'm all
Good
in.
with
I'm
that?
all in.
Okay.
If we're tying it all into the kitchen, I'm all in. That makes sense to do the gold. It makes
I like how you're like kind of checked out at this point. You're like, look, just put my house back together. Whatever you guys want, ladies, just, you know what?
I'm gonna step out of this one. You guys figure it out, and I'll just.
I like the gold.
Yeah.
We're good?
Yeah, it'll look good with my bourbon.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is our look, and I think that is the best choice. I think it's looking incredible.
Yeah, that's great. I love it.
I really like it.
Okay? I know you guys got a lot going on here. I know there's a baby crying, I know there's everything, so I'm gonna get this ordered. All right. We'll get moving.
Awesome. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
This is looking so great.
We're getting excited.
Light is definitely at the end of the tunnel right now.
Are you at the phase yet where you're like, this is taking a long time?
Yeah, you know, with 4 kids, we're ready to spread back out and
Yeah.
have our space and everything like that.
I
so.
feel like it's like the phases of construction, and then it goes into super excited, oh my gosh, can't wait to start. And then it's like, oh my gosh, everything's a mess and dusty, this
Yes.
is horrible. And then it's like, we all want to scream. And then it's like, okay, now it's okay, we see it coming together.
Yes, that's where we're at.
I feel like that kind of happens when the cabinets are in.
Yes, it
Yeah.
definitely is like taking shape and
Yes.
yeah.
I love the pull handles
Yes.
you guys chose.
Yeah.
They're so pretty. The island is coming together. I know it's not there yet.
I am so happy with this color. Like, I love it so much more than just like a stark black or whatever. So
It looks
I love
so
it.
pretty.
Yeah.
I love the sink. Everything's coming together. Once the countertop's on, it's gonna look so light and
Can't
bright.
wait.
Yes.
Can't
Yes,
wait.
yes. We're getting close. Well, you guys are happy?
Yes.
Yes, we
Okay.
love it. We're so excited to see
Yeah.
the final product.
Okay. All right. Well, next time you're here, you'll be walking into a fully done space.
That's great.
And I know you can't wait. So we'll get moving. We'll get everything finished up, and then good to go.
Awesome. Thanks for all you're doing here. I appreciate it.
The appliances are going in, the backsplash is being installed, and the final touches are being done on Nick and Kristen's home.
Don't you love this backsplash?
I do, it's so pretty. And I love that some things never change between here and California, and that's the cookies.
Well, you know, they have kids, and I love to do that for people that have kids.
Nick and Kristen's house looks absolutely beautiful. I'm loving the farmhouse chic vibe. And once again, James has flown out to help me with the finishing touches. I love how a lot of our California flair transfers to Tennessee. We got our cutting boards, we got our rugs, but like there's definitely more of a country flair here.
Like a country chic.
Yes. You know, actually my favorite thing in this kitchen is actually the sink. This is so cool.
Isn't it gorgeous? We should think about sometime, if it's right, to do a whole kitchen in this color.
Yes, please. I would redo my whole kitchen in this color.
Okay. Here in Tennessee, or?
Yeah, I love it. I don't know, any
Okay.
house.
We'll figure it out.
The house looks fabulous.
Yep.
Great teamwork.
Yep.
We're ready to go. All right, it's been a few months. Are you guys super excited?
Yes, yeah, we are.
Cannot wait.
It looks so good. I can't wait for you guys to see it. Okay, you ready?
Go in there.
Yes.
Okay. Welcome to your new home.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God, that looks
That's like exactly what I wanted. It's
Amazing.
the first thing you see when you walk in.
Right?
Wow.
Such a statement piece.
I know, it's like your eyes go straight to that bar now.
The dry bar looks gorgeous. Like everything I've ever wanted.
It went from being a junk drawer to being a feature piece right when you walk inside the home.
I love it.
I'm jealous of your bar.
This is stunning.
Oh my gosh.
You guys already had a fabulous living room. The living room I feel like didn't match the rest of the house, but we just spruced it up a little bit, added some poofs, crystals, some rugs, very country chic.
Yes.
Looks amazing.
It totally came together.
Yeah.
But now back to the bar.
Yes, let's get back to the bar though.
To be honest, I didn't even notice it the first time I walked in because it just looked like doors, right?
Yeah, it was just a closet, basically.
This is so cute. Like this sets the whole tone for your house.
Amazing,
Yes.
yeah.
It's very country chic. I love these yellow tones too, the mustardy. It's
Yes.
so cute.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I love that we took the stone all the way back up the wall.
Good job, babe. Great idea.
Thank you,
Great
guys.
idea.
The bar is fabulous, but now it's time for the main event, the
Let's
kitchen.
do it. We've been waiting all along for this.
Welcome to your new kitchen.
Oh my.
My gosh. Look at how much space it is. What Christina did in our kitchen is just amazing. Walking in, I definitely feel like I'm looking at one of those high-end homes that just got built, you know, that I see all the time. And now we have ours. It feels so huge.
It feels huge. It's so bright.
Yes. See, losing the window, luckily, I feel like it's more bright in here now.
Yeah.
Probably one of my favorite things is getting rid of that window back there. It just feels light and bright. I love it.
We don't miss the window at all.
Nope.
I can't stop staring at how many cabinets I have.
Right? The storage game is strong. You guys got all the storage. You have the beautiful pantry, but then also just the fact that we took the cabinets all the way up to the ceiling, and then the island has a massive amount of storage too. It's endless.
I just get so excited, like visualizing like the kids coming after school to get snacks and do their homework here while I'm just like prepping dinner. And
It actually makes your life easier.
Yes.
Not only is it beautiful, but it's so much more functional.
yeah,
And what do you guys think about the backsplash?
it's gorgeous. I love like the high gloss and there's so much movement to it when the light hits it.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
It looks incredible.
And still a timeless choice.
Yeah.
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 Absolutely beautiful.
One of the other things that I'm just now noticing too that makes such a big difference is how you guys opened up this whole entire casing and like took it up. It makes such a big difference.
It does. And you can just totally see the whole living room now. You're able to see the kids hanging out, and you can actually see the TV from here. So you have all the storage in the kitchen, but we also gained this amazing pantry.
Amazing.
This is, honestly, it seems so silly, but a dream come true.
Yes, totally.
This is honestly probably more efficient than like a walk-in pantry, I feel like.
I agree.
Now with this new pantry, I just envision this beautifully organized space. I cannot wait to start using it.
And right behind you, your new mudroom.
Wow.
That looks different.
Yeah.
For sure. That's
Just
amazing.
by flipping the washer dryer, we were able to add the drop center, all the kids' backpacks, shoes, lunch boxes. It's so much more convenient.
Yeah.
And the flooring was a huge update.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
I wanted to do this area as far as a drop zone, just to make it convenient. The kids come in from the garage, leave their sports cleats or backpacks, shoes.
Exactly.
Yes. I can relate. We have one in my house, and it's hit or miss. Sometimes the kids do it, sometimes they don't, but at least it's there. It looks cute.
Yes. Yeah, no, this is great. I mean, we didn't have anything like this before, and
Yeah.
it's gonna be great for them. Christina was definitely able to help kind of add in so much of the function with the kids, and just kind of being a mom herself knew what we needed. It was really helpful to kind of have her perspective joined in.
I'm very happy for you guys. You guys deserve this kitchen, this home. It fits you guys perfectly.
Yep.
And this isn't goodbye.
No, it's
We're
not.
real estate partners in crime now.
Yeah.
Thank you guys so much.
Thank you so much. This was amazing. Some would maybe say that we're crazy, that we did a rental with Christina like the week after we had a baby, and we are crazy.